हेलो गाइस। प्रणाम आप सभी को। एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल क्रांतिवीर मैथमेटिक्स पर। जैसा कि आप सभी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे लिनियर अलजेब्रा गेट 2024 के क्वेश्चंस। 2 क्वेश्चंस हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। आप देख भी रहे हैं, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज let a is equal to 0 to 0 and t is equal to and t such that t is a map from M to C. C where is complex field. Okay. M to C to M to C be the linear transformation given by TB is equal to AB. The characteristic polynomial of T is. Okay. यहाँ पे हमको T की characteristic polynomial निकालना है, जबकि हमारे पास दिया गया है TB इज इक्वल टू AB। अब यहाँ पे बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ने क्या गलती किया होगा, यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स ने जो गलती किया होगा वो ये था कि जो ए मैट्रिक्स है वो टी का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है। मतलब हम टी को एनालाइज कर सकते हैं ए के द्वारा ही, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा होता तो है वी कैन एनालाइज कंप्लीट अबाउट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टी, but not exactly. Okay, if there are let alpha is eigen value of A, then the eigenvalue of B is also, then the alpha is eigenvalue of T also, but with multiplicity. Here we can write that, we can write algebraic multiplicity of alpha in T is equal to algebraic multiplicity of alpha in A into n, where n is order of matrix A. ओके, यहाँ पे जो अल्जेब्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी होती है, देखिए जो आइगन वैल्यू ए की होगी वही आइगन वैल्यू इस केस में टी की आएंगी, बट मल्टीप्लिसिटी, here multiplicity does matters in this case. Okay, algebraic multiplicity of alpha in T is equal to n into, where n is order of matrix A, n into algebraic multiplicity of alpha in A. Okay, then we make here the characteristic polynomial of T. Not directly we can analyze that alpha beta are, if alpha beta are eigenvalues of A, we cannot say that only on alpha and beta are eigenvalues of. We can say only and only alpha beta are eigenvalues of T, but not with same algebraic multiplicity. Algebraic multiplicity will be changed. Okay. Now we solve this question by this formula here. See, we have matrix 0 2 2 0. Its characteristic polynomial is x square minus 4 is equal to 0, and its roots are x is equal to minus 2 and plus 2. Okay, now we have the characteristic root of linear transformation T. The characteristic root of linear transformation will be only and only minus 2 and 2, but with different algebraic multiplicity. Here the am of minus 2 is 1 and am of 2 is 1, but in T am is 1 into 2, 1 into 2, there are am is 2 2. Okay, now we have minus 2 eigenvalue of T with algebraic multiplicity 2 and 2 eigenvalue of T with algebraic multiplicity 2. Okay, this is the difference between these both matrix and linear transformation. Now we can write here characteristic polynomial of T will be given by x minus 2 square x plus 2 square. Okay, this is equal to x square plus 4 minus 2x x square plus 4 plus 2x. Okay, further if we multiply, we will get x4 x square plus 4 square minus 4 x square is equal to x to the power 4 plus 16 plus 8x square, sorry, here a mistake, here we get 4x, okay, and here we get 4 into 4 16x square. Here we get x4 plus 16 plus 8x square minus 16x square, and we will get the answer x4 minus 8x square plus 16. This is our answer. This is characteristic polynomial of t, and this is a option. Okay, this is very easy question. This was very easy question. Okay, next question we have question. This question is also easy, but the condition you have read textbook. Okay, completely I will tell you about two theorems of book K.H. Hoffman. बट उससे पहले आप सभी से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, चैनल को यदि आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है तो आपके फ्रेंड्स से आप शेयर कीजिए, उनसे भी सब्सक्राइब करवाइए प्लीज़। जो भी हायर मैथमेटिक्स में इंटरेस्टेड है, IIT जैम, गेट, नेट, CSIR नेट, TFR, NBHM and any etc higher mathematics exams, CUET etc. ओके, इन सभी के लिए यदि आप प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो हमारा चैनल बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा, और शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड अपने फ्रेंड्स से भी सब्सक्राइब करवाइए प्लीज। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट इज द थ्योरम? दीज आर थ्योरम ऑफ 8th चैप्टर, इनर प्रोडक्ट चैप्टर। ओके, what is the theorem? Theorem is that in real space, in R, a matrix is diagonalizable. A matrix A is diagonalizable if and only if it is self-adjoint. Okay, and in complex field, a matrix A is diagonalizable if and only if it is normal. Normal means A theta is equal to A theta A, where this represent Hermitian matrix. This represent A theta is equal to A transpose bar, conjugate of transpose. Okay, so here we use these theorems completely, and in case of inner product we say any matrix Hermitian if A alpha beta is equal to beta A alpha bar. If these are equal, then we can say that A is Hermitian matrix in case of inner product. बेसिकली यदि आप इसका पूरा कंटेंट चाहते हैं तो आप उसके लिए यू कैन रीड K.H. Hoffman बुक्स ऑफ लीनियर अलजेब्रा. ओके, complete discussion in easy language you can read from there. Okay, here what is given here, let A is M and C be normal matrix, that A theta is equal to A theta A. This is given. This implies that A is diagonalizable. Okay, Consider the following statements. If all eigenvalue of A are real, we let A1, A2, A3, An are eigenvalues of A, and A is diagonalizable, so we can write A is equivalent to A1, A2, An 0 0. Okay, we can write A as this. Okay, similar to this, but this is diagonalizable in real space. This is equivalent to this matrix, and we use here the standard inner product to prove that A is Hermitian matrix. Okay, let we have A alpha beta, where alpha beta belong to Cn. Okay, this is n cross 1 vectors, n cross 1 matrices, alpha and beta. And given that real eigenvalues in first case, if all eigenvalue of A are real, given that eigenvalues are real, so A alpha is equal to C alpha for any C belong to R. Okay, अगर हमारा A अल्फा को हम C अल्फा की तरह लिख सकते हैं, जहां पर C हमारा कोई भी रियल आइगन वैल्यू जो है A का वो होगा. Okay, now write this as A alpha. I am writing here inner product. This is our inner product sign. Okay, this is equal to, we have to prove, sorry, we write again, we have to prove A alpha beta is equal to beta A alpha. Okay, ये हमको प्रूव करना है. वी टेक दिस बीटा A alpha. Okay, bar. Now we write A alpha is equal to C alpha, then B beta C alpha bar is equal to C. We can take C belong to R. This is a real number. ये रियल नंबर है तो इसको हम बाहर लेंगे, इसका कंजुगेट बाहर आएगा, एंड इसका कंजुगेट सेम होगा क्योंकि रियल है. देन वी कैन टेक हेयर C beta alpha bar. Okay, and in standard inner product or in any predefined inner product, we know that इनर प्रोडक्ट की प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं कि अल्फा बीटा इज इक्वल टू बीटा अल्फा. ओके, ये प्रॉपर्टी इनर प्रोडक्ट की होती है. वी कैन राइट हेयर C अल्फा बीटा and is equal to C alpha beta. Okay, is equal to A alpha beta, which is equal to beta A alpha bar. This property says that the matrix A is Hermitian matrix. Okay, so this will be proved. Or if we say directly the eigenvalues of A are real and this matrix is equivalent to this, and this is our diagonalizable matrix in real eigenvalues, so we can say that the matrix is Hermitian matrix. Okay, from here the diagonalizable matrix in this form with real eigenvalues, this is self-adjoint. A star is equal to A, and with real eigenvalues self-adjoint matrix is Hermitian matrix, because there does not affect any bar sign. बार साइन वहाँ पे कुछ भी इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा, कंजुगेशन वहाँ पे होगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज आवर वैल्यूज आर रियल वैल्यूज. ओके, देन सेकंड केस, फर्स्ट केस इज ट्रू. ओके, Second case, if all the eigenvalue of A have absolute value 1, then A is unitary. We have given that A theta is equal to A theta A. Okay, we know that this is normal and any matrix is unitary if A theta is equal to A theta A is equal to 1, is equal to identity. This is unitary condition. Okay, now we know that if normal matrix is diagonalizable, we know that. Okay, so we can write that these as a theta as alpha. Sorry, if we have taken a1 a2 an the eigenvalues of this matrix, so here we also take see here a1 a2 an. Okay, if we take Hermitian, we take same a1 a2 an. Okay, एंड सेकंड सिचुएशन में कुछ भी नहीं दिया है कि ये रियल है आइगन वैल्यूज और या कॉम्प्लेक्स है, कुछ भी, तो हम यहाँ पे इसको स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर रहे कि ये रियल आइगन वैल्यूज हैं या कॉम्प्लेक्स आइगन वैल्यूज हैं, बट गिवन दैट इट्स एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू इज 1. Absolute value of these are 1. Okay, so here we take bar. In case of Hermitian, we take bar an bar, and after multiplication we get this is equal to a1 bar, a2 bar, and so on an bar. This is our matrix, and we know that in complex z bar is equal to mod of z to the power 2, and mod of z here we will get a1 mod square, a2 mod square, an mod square, and given that absolute value is 1, so this is equal to 1 1 1 is equal to identity matrix, and condition of unitary is satisfied. Condition of unitary matrix is satisfied. So we can say that the matrix is unitary matrix. A is unitary. Second statement also true, and answer is both 1 and 2 are true. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand it. If there are things which you not understand, then please write in comment box. Okay, we can write any query about this question in comment box. Any debate about this question we can write in comment box. Okay, thanks for watching this video again. Bye bye, tata, take care.